Hello everyone. We have added a new feature in the payment section. Earlier, when you were making a payment, you could only see the pending supplier bills. But now, along with those bills, you can also see the pending debit notes from the same supplier. Let me quickly show you how it works. Go to this expense and payment, click add payment, select the payment type and payment method, select your vendor. So once you select the vendor, here now you can see all the pending bills from the vendor and also the debit notes. So you can easily map the debit notes while making the payment itself. Now if I'm making a payment of 100 and I am adjusting here with 200 with this purchase and 100 with this debit note. So this is how it will be adjusted. So that's it. This will make your payment process much easier and more accurate. Thank you.